Welcome back here on a Sunday afternoon here in April. And this is Bear's Rod Shop. There's the old board and with all of our wonderful stickers on there. And Mr. Brian Haynard's coat rack. Yeah, it's a little bit close to our work, but I'm running out of room real quick. And soon as this wonderful Corvette goes over to Alan's dad there in Lubbock, I'm going to have a little bit of room to get in here and start getting ready for a living estate sale. So, mill back there in the corner, Wrong Food 31. The old big lathe over here, unfortunately, it's going to go. Going to keep all the big gang boxes and tools, but today we're back here and I showed this Sure Shot, about probably 2 months ago. It's the first time I've had a chance to use it. Should have owned one of these things 30 years ago or more. And getting down in here, we're going to try to video this the best we can. Boy, this thing is the cat's meow to degrease with. And I'm using diesel, straight diesel right now. See if we can get enough picture in here. Man, puts out a nice, pinpoint stream. I'm gonna let this kind of soak down. Oh yeah, let me back up here a minute. This is our catch pans. I don't know if you guys remember when I went to that estate sale and that gentleman had that Pexto 55E and built all these nice pans. I'm catching every bit of it, taped the seams up, and made a really nice catch pan. Was gonna drag out the one underneath the lathe, but gonna find out it wasn't wide enough. Gonna have a mess on the floor. So the old glop's gonna get a little cleaning this afternoon on this video. If you don't have one of these in your shop, invest in one because they are super. The old bull gear's looking good. Of course, we've seen pictures before, not only the bull gear, but up here, all the waves and everything on the bed. Everything is in really nice shape. Let's give her a little shot right here. You still see all the scraping. And so, by hand, I said yesterday I was not going to soda blast. I'm going to just have to work this by hand. I don't know if you can see the action on this, but we'll soak her down good with diesel. What I like is this pinpoint. I mean, you take out the little baffle instead of a spray, and gives you actually really great control. I'm gonna set this back up here a minute, get around here at a long distance shot, and watching Tom over there at the Hilltop Machine Works. He's building him a nice rolling deal to set his on. Nope, I'm sorry. That was John, over John's shop there, which we follow over in the overseas. He's working on his shaper, the little 7-inch. And I've got a rolling, heavy engine rolling fixture in the back room. My son's headed over here, and I'm just about a 1/2 inch above it. It will hold like 6,000 pounds. It's got brake wheels on it, and so then I'll set it on here. I am not going to move this thing, even though it's got rollers, because I do not have cross members between the bottom. And since I'm selling the Dodge D250, I already pulled the insurance off, so now I can't go get 2 more of these rails, unfortunately. Won't fit in the Cadillac, of course. I guess it would. Knocked out the back glass, sense of humor. but not going to fit in the 4-door Cadillac, and so I'm without a truck right now. Anybody knows that they want a D250 92 Dodge that we rebuilt, you can watch those videos, and I'm going to have to part with it, and a lot of shop tools. But the pitch pans or drip pans working like a champ, and so I won't do this full video on cleanup. Then I'll get in there and I'll put some degreaser purple in there, rinse it down with distilled water, and then I'll hit it again with diesel. And this old glop is getting a little attention today. Mom Bear is wore out. Had some really nice church folks over this afternoon. Spent about a half hour with her. And of course, on a lot of medication. As soon as they left, she's sleeping like a baby. So, Bear's Rod Shop for a short video today on Sunday. Oh, today must be the 26th. Shoot, I've lost count. But we're going to be trying to get a little bit of progress along. Starting chemo on, I said that on the video yesterday on May 9th. So there will be 15 hours a week, 3 days a week. Might as well shoot the whole day. But it's worth it. We hope that they can knock this old big tumor down, get in there some good old radiation. You don't really need it with sarcoma, but and then get that thing removed. All right, to all my subscribers and viewers and friends, neighbors, everyone that watches and follows our channel, Bear's Rod Shop, we're out of here trying to stay busy. We're out of here.